saw this cart when I was walking by the Royal Palace, and today he's at the old market. I want to try this out. It's like a roti, fried roti that you could add banana. I'm not sure what other topping he has, but I think he has Nutella, corn, banana, and then it drizzle with I think it's drizzle with condensed milk. Has cocoa powder, a bunch of other stuff too. I'm going to try it out today. So how he does it, he grabs the ball and he press it down and he starts slapping it to make it as thin as possible. And once it's thin as possible, he starts putting into the hot pan. And then from the hot pan, he will crack an egg. And then the one that I'm going to get is banana. So he's going to start frying the banana, eggs, and then he will start adding a bunch of other stuff too. So he'll put the roti, the hot roti, into the hot pan, crack an egg, then he'll just spread the eggs, cut up the banana, spread it, and then start folding it. And then he add more butter. I assume it's margarine. And then from there on, he will get it crispy, flip it, and then he'll put onto that paper, and he'll wrap it up. Before we wrap it up, he drizzle with condensed milk, some cocoa powder, and then he fold it up, and then that's it. And this is cost me about 6,000 Ria. Well, cost me 4,000 Ria, which is $1. Oh man, this is really good.
fried banana.